So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Tuesday, the 3rd of April. Now, let's just have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So, here on the Euro Pound, we did see the progression here to the upside all the way up towards that resistance of the 87.83, from which we did see a sell side momentum bringing us back down towards that 87.50. Now down at 87.50, we do have the added confluence of not only the horizontal level of the 87.50, but we do have the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially finding support of this 8750. So if you do see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, we're then looking for progression towards that 8783. Successful break from which we're then looking for price move towards that 88, while being aware of the 400 period moving average potentially acting as dynamic level of resistance, seeing sell side momentum return to the market. If we do progress beyond the 88 level, then we're looking for price to move towards that 88.20, and beyond 88.20, we've got a far end of the range. What I'd expect would be a move towards that 88.51. It is a major level marked out here in red. I wouldn't anticipate price to move beyond the 88.51, but if we were to progress beyond the 88.51, we've got the very next level of importance would be the 88.74. If, however, we are not able to find support of the 8750, we'll be looking for a breakdown towards the 87 level, which we would expect to be the far end of the range. Progression beyond the 87 level would be somewhat difficult because we found a lot of support between this 8750 and the 87 level. But if we did break down from the 87, the very next significant level that we are looking for is a very strong major level of the 86.63 here on the Euro Pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. We'll just have a brief look at the daily chart before concluding this video. So we have a brief look over the daily chart on the Euro Pound. Get skinny correct. Now, we've saw this strong persistent sell-off here. Posted a bit of a pin bar, doji, whatever. What we did see was a recovery here. Recovery hasn't been as strong to suggest it's going to reverse to retest these old highs. Has been somewhat weak, somewhat weak, even though we've seen a progression to the upside. So there remains a possibility of breaking down further to retest the old lows, especially if we can break beyond the 8750 and the 87 level. Well, 8750 really. If we can't break above and hold the 8783, the break beyond the 8750, we'll be looking for prices to retest the old lows pretty close towards 8663. Like I said, the price action here does appear somewhat weak in the move to the upside. So that's pretty much it in regards to the Euro Pound. We're seeing some weak price action in the move to the upside. If however we do turn around, we start to see larger candles, suggesting larger in terms of open to close, with a bullish bias. I suppose we could see a further retracement to the upside, but at the moment we do appear slightly weak. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.